Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You can find the bulk Gearbox oil used in the video under the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access the drain nut, you need to lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, raising your Astra case safely, before carrying out this step. You can then remove the plastic crankcase, if any, to access the gearbox oil plug. You can now see the gearbox oil plug. Be careful not to confuse the gearbox drain nut with the engine oil drain nut. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm Allen socket, unscrew the drain nut. Start the process with the wrench and finishing off by hand. Be careful on the last few turns, the oil can squirt out immediately. You have to anticipate by placing a container underneath to collect the oil. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Let the oil run out for 10 minutes or so. Screw the plug back in first by hand, before the final tightening with the tool without overdoing it. Finish tightening with a torque wrench. It is now necessary to refill the oil in the gearbox. You have to be very careful and precise when doing this part of the job. First, put the crankcase back in place and put the car back on the ground. We advise you to clean with compressed air.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Using a socket wrench, a large extender, and a 8mm Allen socket, unscrew the gearbox filler plug. You can find the bulk gearbox oil used in the video under the link in the description. Take a funnel and insert it into the filler hole. Add oil intermittently because of the diameter of the funnel. You can find the exact amount of oil suggested for your car in the description of the tutorial. Close the oil fill plug. Operation completed.